Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you several different methods for connecting to wires. Note that today I will focus on the method of winding wires. After using various methods to connect them, it is also necessary to weld the connection with an electric soldering iron to make them more secure. So let's start now. First, empty the middle of the wire that serves as the main body, and then divide the other wire that needs to be connected to it into two parts and tighten it. Then, thread it out from the middle of the main body, tighten them, and twist the two protruding wires, one in front and one in back to both sides. By the way, as you can see, this video requires the help of our recently developed tool clip. Okay, even if you pull it, it doesn't loosen. The wrapping is very tight. In this situation where two wires need to be connected, simply disconnect the two ends of the wires, insert them into each other, and finally pinch them together and tighten them. The third method is used to connect flexible wires and hard wires that are difficult to bend. First, tie a knot on the hard wire with a soft wire and tighten it, then wrap the rest around it. Finally, use pliers to forcefully fold the hard wire off the end of the soft wire so that the two wires can be easily connected. The last method is also very simple and convenient to operate. Just tie two knots on the two wires that need to be connected. Okay, that's the entire content of today's video. If you are expecting for more videos, please give us a like to follow and support us. Thank you.